Alright guys, I'm about to share with you one of the easiest money making systems I've ever seen. What's up guys, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a program that I've talked about several times before. And why I'm bringing it up is because I'm still making money with it, and it just reminds me how easy this program is. What I'm talking about is automated cash app system. This is a straightforward system, guys. It basically is a program that teaches you how to make money with apps. Okay, and it actually gets you paid through your cash app. Okay, so all you do is once you buy the automated cash app system for $27, you actually will earn, not earn, but you actually will have resale rights of the actual course. The course actually teaches you how to promote the automated cash app system. Also, it teaches you how to make money from other apps. So not only will you be able to make commissions, direct $27 commissions, you will also learn how you can make money, actually a lot more money from other apps, that you can have on your phone or whatever. So it's a very, very cool, simple course, and I still get questions on it because people are so skeptical about stuff. And it's like, if you're trying to make money online, you do need to remove some of your skepticism, because making money online, working from home, making money on YouTube, making money from apps, that's not the norm, right? Like that's not what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be working a 9 to 5. You're supposed to be in college and trying to get your 9 to 5. You're not supposed to be doing anything outside of the norm, right? The funny thing is, making money online, working from home, being a professional YouTuber, those are slowly becoming the norm, right? But like I said, what made me kind of prompt me to do this video is because last night, it was around midnight, and sure enough, if you got Cash App, you know that noise it makes, that cha-ching, ching, like the change falling. I love that noise, right? And I haven't had a sale in about a week, and so I'm like, I haven't been using my Cash App, and I was just chilling, and that thing goes off, and I instantly knew, right? I knew. Went over to my phone, seen that $27, and I'm like, wow, I haven't even talked about this for a while. So guys, if you're watching this, I'm gonna help you out. When you get the Cash App system, it's only $27, guys. If you're not willing to invest $27, I don't know, right? But it's only $27. But guys, trust me when I tell you, even if you don't sell the system and you just use the information that teach you about making money with apps, you'll make more than the $27. So you'll get that money back even if you don't sell the actual Cash App course, right? So keep that in mind. So even if you got borrowed the $27, borrow it, and then you can pay it right back after you get the course and actually go through it. But most people, you do want to promote the course because it's a good course to sell, and it's like you officially have a course that you can sell and feel proud about, know it's legit. For $27, you get that $27. Now the course will teach you how to sell it and promote it primarily on Facebook, guys. So if you don't have a problem with talking about an opportunity on your Facebook, because they don't teach you how to do it spammy, they don't show you to do it that way, but they will show you what you need to post, when you need to post, how you need to post to get attention, to get people, asking you for your automated cash app link. All right, so keeping it real with you, you do not want to get this course, get your referral link, and then just post it all day on your Facebook page. Like, you don't want to do that. Follow the instructions inside the Cash App system, and you will, I'm pretty confident you will earn some money. You will sell this system, guys. Plus, once you see the system, you'll feel comfortable private messaging people that you know, co-workers or your family, be like, yo, listen, this is cool. This is teach you how to make money with apps, and you could actually sell this course too. Very easy to promote, guys. Very easy to promote. So let me add something else to you. If you are on YouTube, not, you're not afraid to get on the camera and talk like I'm doing or whatever, guys, make a YouTube video as well. Promote this on YouTube as well. However you feel comfortable. It's very easy to promote. If you have another YouTube channel that doesn't even have nothing to do with make money online, still you can make an offer and let people know. Whatever it is, you can have a dog training channel and say, hey guys, at the end of this video, say, hey guys, I just came off. Everybody's looking for extra money. If you want to know how you can make extra money on using Cash App, check out my link below. Like, you could do that. If you're on Instagram, promote it on Instagram. Because guys, when that little Cash App notification go off, that little change noise, man, that's a good feeling. It's a good feeling, guys. And I've made with this course about a little over $250 since I got it, and I paid $27 for it. So you do the math, right? Well worth it. Super easy to promote, guys. Link in the description so you can get it right now and start learning it and making money. You can actually start promoting it tonight, guys, if you want to, right? Take action. If you get this course, like, I'm confident everybody watching this video and get this course, I'm confident you're going to make money back. You're going to at least make double your money back. At least. And you could take it, make a couple grand, right? But you got to follow the steps inside the program. This is as basic of a course as you're going to get when it comes to making money online. Trust me when I tell you. This is as basic as it gets, guys. And you can do this. You can really do this. Don't be afraid to post on Facebook. Don't be afraid to follow the steps. People gonna hate. You know what I mean? Some people might be like, is this a scam? Is this real? You know it's real because you're gonna make that money. Alright, so check it out. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I'll help you out any way I can. Be sure to subscribe because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.